Oh, okay, okay. So, what's your experience on campus so far?
Oh, it's been okay, stressful. And I think I have to buy a car.
Why? Yes,
Manantisa.
right now, but car.
Manantisa.
Oh, wow. So, you should get a car.
Yeah.
Wow, that's interesting. So, what was your expectation before coming to UCC?
Well, it's not the best university, so I was expecting something way better, but
Just watch through the camera.
uh,
So, are you seeing them? I'm
mm,
hoping you're seeing something best, right?
yeah, it's okay.
So, what is the most entertaining aspect of UCC so far? Just tell us something.
Oh, maybe the whole experience is yeah, that's all. But some campuses just learning and learning and learning and learning.
Oh, okay, okay. You've been on campus so far. What is your experience? Just share something with us.
Cool. Class has been cool, but just that sometimes it's quite difficult to cope with the lectures, but it's cool. All
Oh,
the same, we'll manage.
were you having any perception about UCC before coming?
Yeah,
What was that?
a school of constant confusion.
Do you see any confusion?
No, I've come to know that it's a school of competitive choice.
Oh, okay, that's interesting. We have a lot of universities in Ghana. Why UCC?
I just love everything about this school.
Oh,
I
okay,
want to be an academic scholar.
okay. A word to someone who is watching you out
I love you all.
there. Okay, okay. See you then. Come on, I want to be in.
I'm Eva Akomia.
Where are you from?
I'm from Kasua.
Kasua, Kasua, Kasua. Wow, that's you've been on campus so far, right?
Yes, please.
Okay, what is your experience? What is the positive vibes that you've encountered on campus?
Okay, so far the school is very nice and I've made a lot of friends. Yeah, and it's good.
What were you having in mind before coming to UCC?
So I heard that UCC is stressful and it's called University of Constant Confusion. And people also call it University of Come and Cry. So me, I thought they were just making fun of this too. But when I came, I realized that it's very true and I'm even tired of this.
So you are crying.
Yeah.
Just cry small.
Hey,
A lot of universities in Ghana.
yeah.
Why did you make a decision to come to UCC?
Okay. I just love to be in Cape Coast and yeah,
Wow.
that's all.
Okay, so if you had a chance to make new selections of schools, are you going to put UCC at first?
No,
Why?
no, it's very stressful.
So which school you put at first?
Oh, Legon.
Legon.
Yeah.
Wow, that's interesting. Then a word to someone who is watching you out there.
Okay, so my advice is that the school is stressful. So if you want to choose those coming down, they want to choose the school. I see. They should prepare before they come because it's not easy at all. Me, when they told me, I thought they were lying. I've now come to realize it. Yeah.
Okay. I hope you were also prepared, right? You prepared yourself for coming.
Not really.
Oh, okay. What's your name?
Isabella Iku.
Sabella. Okay. You know, you've been on campus for a very long time, right?
Yes.
What is the most entertaining aspect of campus that you've enjoyed?
Okay, writing quiz when they gave lights out, so we had to on at phone lights to write the quiz. Though it was a quiz, but then they brought in many invigilators so that no one could copy.
So you wanted to copy, eh? You wanted
As
to
in,
copy.
yeah, I got the chance.
Hey, Charlie, mention enemy you. No, but so copy you. Wow, wow. So that was the some of the challenges, right? So what is the entertaining aspect of it of UCC?
Okay. Some SRC programs that are being held in the various halls that students attend, like some like the car wash. That,
Mm,
mm,
that's it. Then. So
yeah.
what was your perception before coming to UCC?
Okay, I had this perception that when you come to UCC, it's a very stressful place, so you need to study hard and focus. Like if you are not that learning type, you can't make it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, because day in day out, the unexpected quizzes and the rest.
Oh,
You
okay.
have meaning every day you have to study, no matter what.
Oh, okay. Okay. That's interesting. So, give us something. Just tell those watching you out there something about UCC. Someone who is thinking of coming to UCC, just tell the person something.
Okay. Hmm. UCC is a cool place though, but then you just have to focus, even though there are entertaining stuffs around, but you just have to focus and know the main reason why you came here. That's all.
Okay. Thank you very much. I like your vibe.